Sanibonani guys, igama ngiNqobile nibasela amazwibela eyinimba ngomhla ka-6 May. Hhayi-ke guys, u-Azande-ke umane wayibona esesenkingeni ngoba uqhawekazi umane nje wavula amehlo ugele wabona ukuthi no, uyamqola lo bhuti lo. Usho kahle ukuthi sengiyakubona manje. Wena ufuna ukuyakha le nkampani kube yakho. Ufuna ukuthi usebenzise i-idea yami uyenze kube yakho, sonke lesi sikhathi uzama ukungikhonvinsa ukuthi uma notata abekho kwisayidi lami cause bafuna ukuthi ngiy'mele, kanti wena ufuna ukuthi unyuke isitebhisi ngami. Hhayi-ke guys, u-Azande-ke kwakumele ichaze-ke ukuthi why vele eyenza yonke lento le. Umane nje wathi hhayi qhawekazi, ngimamelisise kakuhle kaloku. Yabona mina sendikhathele ukusebenzela abantu. Yabona laphaya eNgcukana Industries, ngisho noma thiwa nginikezwe isikhundla sokuba i-COO. Yes, the position sounds fancy, but that means I will never be a leader. Nami sengifuna ukuzenzela into yami, ngifuna ukuzimela. Yingakho ngifuna ukuthi ngiyakhe lento, ngiyakhe nawe, sizimele. Siyeke ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi uma kukhona into ekumele siyisho, bese sicela uZoleka kuqala noLazarus ukuthi baya-approve yini noma cha. Kube thina siyiphethe le nqola. Uthe esathi uyacabangisisa uqhawekazi ukuthi ngampela lento-ke eshiwo u-Azande, does it make sense or not? Wathi, lalela la, uyamazi uBill Williams? Wathi, ya, ngiyamazi. He is a biotech giant. Wathi, ya, ngisebenzisane naye kaningi, bekade eyimentor yami. Wabehlala ocingweni u-Azande guys, wafonela yena lo Bill Williams wakhona. Umane nje wakhuluma-ke isilungu saphesheya, wathi, hey Azande, do you know what time it is where I am? I'm in China and it's the middle of the night. Wamane wathi nje Azande, I'm sorry man for disturbing you. Do you remember that young investor that I told you about? She is here with me. What? Oh, what is her name again? What? Kawe. What? Kawe. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. Is it Kawe? What's Kawe? Hi, Mr. Williams. What? No, call me Bill. I've heard your idea and I really believe in it, okay? If we work together, I promise you, I will send you to places. I will make sure that your idea does not go in vain. Hhayi-ke guys, wathatheka koqhawekazi. Wamane wathi nje u-Azande, okay, we will talk soon, Bill. Walivala ucingo. Uqhawe wathi, was that Bill Williams? Wathi, yes, I told you. Mengase nje ngampela usebenzisane nami qhawe, ngizoyithatha le idea ngibekele ezingeni eliphezulu. Hhayi-ke guys, ngapho uZoleka uyawusola umqhakazi ukuthi ngeke kukhona umuntu ofunza ingane yakhe uphoyizeni. Umane nje wathi, yazi uqhawekazi akabambeki. I really believe ukuthi kunomuntu ohleli lapha endlini naye oloke emfunza ushevu. Ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi ubani lo ozama uku-influence ingane yami in a bad way. Useyasho uLazarus ukuthi yabona nje, mengase ngampela uqhawekazi loke ebelesela ngale ndaba yokufuna ukuyimela, kunoshaka laphaya. Kodwa ungakhathazeki sithandwa sami, ngizokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngiyamvikela mina uqhawekazi. Ngeke ngivume adlala abantu laphaya. Ngiyazi nje ukuthi la ka-technologies, hhayi impela umuntu uhlezi njalo ezogwinywa mekuthi akabhekile. Kuthe kusanjalo wabe engena uqhawekazi. Wathi uZoleka, qhawe, we need to talk. Wathi qhawe, yo mom, not now. Yo ndidiniwe kaloku, can I please go and sleep? Wahamba ugele wayolala, wangakhuluma nonina. Uthe mefika lapha erumza yakhe, walala kwaze kwasa, ekuseni kwaze kwashawa 10 akavukile embhedeni. Walalela-ke i-voice note evela ku-Azande emtshela ukuthi lalela, ngiyazi ukuthi i-conversation esibe nayo izolo ikuthusile. So angeke ngize ngikurashe. I'm gonna give you time to think about this. But as you think about this, please, please do not tell umama wakho notata wakho about this. It should stay between us. Why u-Azande ngafuni vele uqhawe ayikhulume le ndaba manje? Ngoba uyazi vele ukuthi uZoleka benoLazarus bazobona ukuthi ufuna ukudlala ngengane ebese bayamnqanda. Guys, uqhawekazi-ke uthe nje salelele leyo voice note kwabe ngena uma wakhe. Wambuza ukuthi why ungavukile kuze kube lesi sikhathi mntanami? Wathi mama khululeka, sizokhuluma e-ofisini, ngisanenhloko nje encane sengicabanga ukuthi nje ngithi ukucambalala kancane futhi. Hayibo, ugirl uwumuntu okhathele nje lately. UZoleka komane wahamba waya emsebenzini, wakhuluma nomyeni wakhe futhi washo ukuthi no man, something is wrong with uqhawekazi. Something is really off about her. Useyasho kuLazarus ukuthi give her time. She will tell you if there's something that is on her mind. Ugeli-ke guys, ngampela akapholisanga maseko. Kuthe kusanjalo wabe ngqongqoze emnyango. Wangena uzoleka lwathi heqe uvalo ngoba phela umama nomama uyayazi ingane yakhe. Uyabona ukuthi no, khona ukushaya amanzi kuqhawe. Ungene ne-confidence ibhale ebusweni-ke uqhawekazi. Watshela-ke uma wakhe-ke uzoleka beno-Lazarus ukuthi, guys, I'm here to say that I'm now ready to take my idea, this biotech idea, outside iKhusela Tech neNgcukana Industries. Wathi uZoleka angizwanga, wathi mama bengicela ukuthi-ke ngihambe nale biotech idea ngiyise kwezinye iy'ndawo, hhayi la eKhusela, hhayi la futhi eNgcukana Industries. Ngiy'mele, ngivulele into yami nami. And uZoleka guys bengathi uyaphupha. Umane wafriza, kubonakala ukuthi yabona le hayikhona, akahambisani neze nayo. Kupheli-ke lapho guys. Hey, uSonjica, mawethu, he is madly in love with uPortia waseKhusela Tech. So namhlanje-ke noPortia-ke ukhombisile ukuthi usayifela-ke ngoSonjica. Wam-odela ukudla akuthandayo, kwadliwa kwamnandi kwahleka kwanjeya. Ababoni ukuthi bancokola kamnandi kanjeya, kunomuntu obajongile kaloku ngeso lokhozi. Ubani loyo? uSydney. uSydney-ke guys unaleyo nhliziyo yokuthi asebenzise abantu bakwikhampani ukuze athole i-information from that company or ukuyiqumba phansi leyo company. The way abekabuka ngakhona uPortia bengathi uthi, okay, uzwana noSonjica, uSonjica uyi-CIO yami, so I can tell uSonjica to actually take information from you, from lapha eKhusela Tech, ezokwazi ukuthi benefit thina la koZondo Technologies. Yabona nje le ibhalwe yonke lento engiyikhuluma njengamanje. When it comes to Mr. Zondo, that's how he operates. Uhlezi njalo ezobheka ukuthi uma umuntu ezwana nosibanibani yena uzobhenefitha ngalokho. And lokho kwenzile nakuLinda. uLinda wayithatha yonke i-information yalapha eKhusela Tech wathi fuxa kuyena, and kwacishe iKhusela Tech yawabhu phansi. Ukube-ke ayinaso istaff esibhekile esinamehlo aqaphele. Guys, asithembe-ke ukuthi-ke uma wethu ngeke abe yixoki. Njengoba ethi uyayithanda ingane yabantu uzoyithanda ngampela, angabe ufuna ukuyisebenzisa nje ukuze-ke aqumbe phansi iKhusela Tech. Guys, aphela lapho-ke amazwi vela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama unqobile niphathela amazwi vela eyinimba ngomhla ka-6 May. Hhayi-ke guys, uAzande-ke umane wayibona esesenkingeni ngoba uqhawekazi umane nje wavula amehlo ugele wabona ukuthi no, uyamqola lo bhuti lo. Usho kahle ukuthi sengiyakubona manje, wena ufuna ukuyakha le nkampani kube yakho, ufuna ukuthi usebenzise i-idea yami uyenze kube yakho. Sonke lesi sikhathi uzama ukungiconvince ukuthi uma notata abekho kwisayidi lami cause bafuna ukuthi ngiy'mele kanti